SoftVelocity.
In this case, we are going to make a new application that is going to be full screen and will not have any kind of update features. Basically, I'm going to modify the same inventory application that we have, but this time we're gonna make it different. I will remove the title bar and the borders, and instead of having main as the main procedure, we're gonna have the browse inventory, so the end user will use it on a read-only model. Let's do this. I am going to erase main, and of course Clarion says that I have to make main, but that is not entirely true. I am going to copy the name of the procedure that I have here, and I will use it as the first procedure. Let's do this. There we go. Now I am going to modify the window. Several things that I have to do in order to have a frameless and borderless application, borderless window, is first I have to remove the title. I need to see if I have an icon. I do not have an icon. And on frame type, let's set it to none. Now, while I am here, I am going to remove the update buttons. Yes, and I don't need the end user to be able to exit the application, so I am going to erase it. And now, let's remember that we no longer have a main frame. Therefore, this is no longer an MDI child. If I leave it as is, I will have problems once I start the application. This window will complain that there is no frame to talk to. So let's set it to fails. Now, some other things that I have to do is I would like to be able to touch this even with big fingers. Or let's recall that the mouse is very precise, but the fingers, well, we need to give it a little bit of slack. So I am going to grab our properties. First, I am going to remove the default icon, and on app settings, on list drop combo line height, I am going to set it to 24. By setting this to 24, I am going to have a taller rows. Now we are ready. Let's run the application and let's see all the change that I performed. There we go. As we can tell, there is no title bar, no borders, and there is no way I can update any of the data inside. If I double click or press any key, it will not allow the end user to change any of the information stored inside. I didn't have to write a different application just to display the products, and it's very easy. And it was very easy because of course we are using Clarion.